And my name is Ayush, and in today's video I'll be showing how the review and papers functionality essentially works in GradeSense. Just a quick update in case anyone has missed out on the video that I made regarding the upload and grade feature. You can take a look at that and then we can proceed with this video. Right. So now that the papers have been graded, once the teacher clicks on review and grade papers, it takes them to a separate section in GradeSense wherein individually they have access to each and every paper that was graded. So let's go with Sandeep's paper. Once you click on it, it will show you how the student's answer sheet and the model answer paper next to each other. The teacher can take a look at it and have a glance of what the students have written and what the model answer paper looks like. In case it's too cluttered, they can hide the model answer paper. Over here, the teacher gets access to each question and what is the feedback that was given. Again, in case the questions should have been extracted, but let's say if that doesn't work, they always have the option to click extract questions on the top right. Once that is done, in a few seconds, all the questions will be displayed on the screen. So just give it some time, and with that the questions have been extracted, right? So over here, as you can see, this is the first question and this is what the student had written for the answer. Again, the AI has automatically graded it. If you can see, it's about 235 toys and on the first day, and then 189 on the second day, and they were divided among 8 boxes. So how many boxes should there be, how many toys in each boxes, right? The student gave the answer of 528, which is the right answer, and exactly that's why the tool has given them full marks. Let's say a situation where in the second question also the student performed well, but in this question he got some less marks. Let's say it's 2 out of 10. Now I'm not reviewing what was the feedback given by the model, but let's say it's incorrect. How can we fix it? So over here, the teacher has the option to click on improve feedback AI. Once they click that, they have the option to change that. Let's say it was not supposed to be 2, it was supposed to be 2.5 or 3, right? And we can essentially tell the AI that they should have been rewarded three marks, right, as they had answered it properly. This way, we are essentially training the AI that, hey, you made a mistake in this part and you can correct it. In case there were sub questions, then you can add another sub question, and for that you can give feedback and the model will understand it. Once that is done, let's say if this is something which is recurring in multiple papers, if you click on this option on this box over here, it will and click on submit, essentially it will recorrect for every paper. But let's say this was a one-off case, so we'll just write submit correction. Right? Now with this, the model has understood what the answer should have been. Now subsequently we'll go through all of them, and yeah, I think essentially he has done a great job. If the teacher is satisfied with what was the feedback, in the end he just has to click over here, and once he clicks on approve, and this is the second paper, and if the teacher is again happy with the output, they can click on approve. Similarly, for the third paper, again the teacher can individually review it. Most of it, GradeSense would have accurately corrected the papers, but let's say there is some deficiency in 1 or 2 places, again the teacher has complete freedom to make the changes that are to be made. Once all the papers have been approved, a simple thing that the teacher has to do is just go to the dashboard, go to the branch that has been created, and once over here, if they click on publish, the teacher has the option to immediately send all the answer papers directly to the students so that they get instant feedback. No time delay, no need to individually give the papers. Instantly, each and every student will get the feedback that the teacher has provided. Now over here, the teacher again has an option to, if they want to show the question paper, they can show it or they can hide it. If they want to show the answer sheet, they can hide it. If they want to show the model answer paper, they can show it or hide it, right? And once you click on publish, all the students will get their results. Yes, so that is essentially how the review paper functionality works in GradeSense. And moving on, the further videos will show you various other functionalities. Thank you.